other point to again,
Ilan rin yung patay nung nakaraang mga bagyo?
marami na po. Pero
Emong ilan? Wala naman tumulong galing EDCA.
kasi I think ang operational word na naman ho dito is that it should be the decision to use whatever aspects of EDCA should be mutually agreed also by the two governments.
So, so far, no humanitarian assistance and disaster relief has been undertaken by any of the EDCA sites. I imagine, kasi wala namang balita eh.
Actually, Madam Chair, I can only recall my discussion with Secretary Rex Gatchalian of DSWD. He said that he will, I don't know kung anong typhoon po iyon, pero sinasabi niya na I will pack up those sites para pagdating sa, I think he was thinking about north, way up in the north. I think
Wala pa eh, wala pa.
Matagal na pong typhoon to.
Yung pinesto lang nila doon, yung typhoon missiles. Wala namang humanitarian, walang gamot, walang pagkain.
Madam Chair.
Yes,
I think
Senator Tulfo.
the Department of Foreign Affairs is not capable of answering all these questions.
That's
because
right. No,
these are the questions for the Department of Defense.
I agree, but
May I manifest or may I suggest, Madam Chair, that we invite in the next meeting the Department of Defense